Good morning, troops. I'm in Dublin, Ireland. First time in Ireland, been putting off coming for ages, but made the flight over this morning, 50 minutes, not too bad. You know, by the time you're up, it's time to come back down again. Got a couple of hours to kill before I need to check in the hotel, so get to wander about. Obviously Dublin's, you know, got a rich history, so I'm sure we'll come across some stuff. So it's interesting. Pretty grey, gloomy and wet, much the same as what Glasgow was this morning, so not too much of a difference, but again, not flown far. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what Dublin has to offer. Could be plenty of these about, Irish bars. You know, everywhere I go you always come across one, I always seem to end up in one, so it'd be a bit rude not to go in one in Ireland. So, quite hungry, no surprise, so probably head and get something to eat just now, and got to try a pint of Guinness as well. Listen, I'm not a big fan of Guinness, so probably end up insulting the full country, but need to try it, so maybe my mind will change. So pubs are shut till 12, must be the same sort of laws we have in Scotland with the alcohol times, so got an hour to kill till we can get in and get a pint. So down at the River Liffey, this runs through the city centre of Dublin and then out into the Irish Sea. So obviously two parts of the city, I'm not really sure what's on each side. Feels much the same as what Glasgow would, to be honest with you. Obviously, you know, the UK and Ireland are two completely different places, but you know, it's very similar walking around. I think I'll stay out of there. Some sort of sex shop or something. So to have a wee wander about the streets there, you know, there's loads of supermarkets and restaurants from different nationalities, lots of Asian stuff, Indian, Brazilian, so there's plenty of options to choose from for foods, which is really good. I'm starting to get really hungry now, so I'm going to try and find somewhere. So there we go, got a Guinness. Not the biggest fan of Guinness, but you know, you've got to try it when you're in Dublin. I'm not going to split the G right enough because I'll throw it back up over the table. I can't down drinks, but anyway, cheers. It's actually not too bad, to be fair. Quite harsh on it, but no, that's not too bad. And I've got some food coming, traditional Irish lamb stew, so looking forward to that, it should be good. So there we go, Irish stew. This looks absolutely brilliant. Get a wee taste of it here. Probably roast and burn my tongue off again. Not bad. Oh, that's lovely. Get a bit of, I think it was beef I said? Beef stew? Might be lamb actually. Try a bit. Really soft. Just breaks up in your mouth, lovely. Really good. €18 for that, but you know, it's expensive, but It's tasty, so oh, defeated, man. That was good, but big portion. Could I swim in that bowl? No, it was good. The meat was good, nice and soft. Good bit of flavour as well. So, first meal in Ireland, traditional meal, and yep, can't go wrong with that. So that was actually pretty good. €24.50 for my stew and the Guinness. It's not too bad, to be fair, but no, that was lunch. Pretty good. I'm absolutely stuffed now, man. So gonna head down and try and get an early check-in to the hotel. Every video I seem to be successful in getting an early check-in, so hopefully Ireland provides the goods as well and we get in nice and early. Drop the bag off and that, because I can't be bored carrying about this any longer. So we're gonna head down that way just now. So £126 a night for the hotel. Hopefully for that price it's quite good. I was reading their review in the hotel. Apparently it's one of the best, or one of the better ones in Dublin. So, you know, that's them writing that, so they'll be bigging themselves up. But we'll go have a look, and hopefully it's not bad for the price. See behind me there, the Guinness factory. I'm going to head over there later on tonight and have a look around there, so that should be good as well. But for now, early check-in hopefully. Check-in times are a myth. Again, successful. Early check-in, no problem. See what the view's like. Room's pretty big by the looks of it, not bad. Not the best view, but good space of room. And take a wee look at the bathroom. Hopefully that bed's comfy. Not bad. Quite pricey, £126 a night, but you know, it's seems alright to be fair. Reception, that was pretty posh, not like me at all. Usually staying as cheap as possible, but aye, bed seems comfy. So get chill out for a bit and then head out soon. Bed's pretty comfy. Not entirely sure why there's 2 beds, but I suppose I can chop and change. Aye, rain's on. Rain's on. So, Guinness factory time. Head over just now. It's the rain on. Don't even read that, cheap accommodation. That probably would have been a better option. Oh, this weather's pretty miserable, but nothing no used to. So good job inside for a few hours. Quite looking forward to this. It's meant to be really in depth with the history of the city and the shipbuilding and stuff, so quite looking forward to it.
Beer there too. It's from Guinness. They have a pedal. It's very nice. And if you want to have a
We're going to line them on the 7th floor, which is our world famous comedy.
This is obviously the barley, I'd imagine. Obviously it's not real, but gives you an idea. This place is massive, by the way. I think it takes a good 90 minutes to do the full sort of walk round. We're doing the self-guided tour, so we go around ourselves, but you can also get a tour guide, I'd imagine. So 1759, I think it was, this brewery was founded. It's a long time. I would try and work out how many years that is, but I've not got enough fingers to count it.
Any lower, the beer will develop its unique character.
Pretty cool in here so far, to be fair. You know, it's quite busy, but lots of information and stuff to read. We've been walking around for about half an hour. We still got another 3 or 4 floors to climb, and then we get a Guinness at the end of it as well. So I'm looking forward to that. Thought that was somebody else there. Definitely not what I thought it was at first glance. Oh yeah. I really want to do that. You know, they stick a picture of your face on top of the Guinness, but there was no tickets for that, all sold out. So just a normal Guinness for us once we get to the top of here. Saying that, I think you can pay to just do it anyway, but it's like an extra £8 on top of the pint, and I've already paid £60 for 2 tickets to get in here, so too tight for that. I patched that. Guinness secured, pricing the filled in the stairs there. They go find a seat, it's too busy up there, so go down and get a seat and then give us a wee taste. Well, turns out that's the fire exit, so back up the stairs. Right, so draft Guinness from the brewery, give it a wee taste. It's alright, I'm not the biggest fan. Probably not doing it justice. It's not bad, it's okay. Cheers. My stomach's not coping with this at all. So that was the Guinness Brewery. It's actually really good, I enjoyed that. Tickets vary from around €20 to €30 depending what you want to do, whether you want your face on the pint or not. I definitely think if you're into Guinness then it's well worth it. You know, you get some folk that are obsessed with it, splitting the G and all that, but even if you like your beer and brewery and stuff, definitely say it's worth it. That wee horse here. Where was I? Aye, that was good, I enjoyed that. So, you know what I'm going to say, I'm hungry again. Just a wee wander into the city centre.
Where's all the English people? Come on.
Get the words. Forget what we're told.
So guys, that was dinner. Irish fish and chips, it was good. So expensive, but I can't believe the prices here. Thoughts in Dublin then, it was good, it's busy, really expensive. A night or maybe 2 nights, probably enough here to be honest with you. No, it is really expensive for drinks and food. And as I said, it's really busy, but I can't really complain about the business because I'm going to India in a month, so it's going to be about 10 times worse than it is here. So, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Not too sure how it will turn out, but I'll get it edited and stuff. Then plans are heading to India in about a month's time, so not get anything planned between then, maybe have something come up, but I'm not too sure. So probably see you in India. Cheers guys.